The overall goal of this procedure is to produce a mouse model of sepsis by a surgical procedure called cecal, ligation, and puncture, or CLP. This is accomplished by first making a 1.5 to 2 cm midline incision on the abdomen of a mouse. Next, the cecum is exposed and ligated. Then, the cecum is punctured to induce bacterial translocation. Finally, the incision is closed. Ultimately, results can be obtained that show increases in systemic and peritoneal cytokine levels, as well as symptoms such as lethargy and lethality.
What I'm going to show you is to produce a mouse sepsis model termed cecal ligation and puncture, which is modified from the original model developed by Dr. Chandri and his collaborators. The main advantage of this model is that it is the most relevant model of sepsis. In addition, it's simple, well-characterized, and economically feasible, and therefore has been widely used in the field of sepsis and inflammation research. As an example, we will demonstrate the utilization of this model to evaluate the therapeutic potential of herbal extract in sepsis.
To prepare the herbal extract, soak 10 grams of herbs in 200 milliliters of water at 85 degrees Celsius for 1 to 4 hours. To remove insoluble particles, centrifuge the water fraction at 3,300 G for 20 minutes at 4 degrees Celsius. Next, filter the supernatant through a 0.2 micron filter. Then, further concentrate the filtrate by using a centrifugal filter with a 10,000 kilodalton molecular weight cup.